Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's talk about links again because we need it. That's why we want to talk about it. So today we are talking about link to an email address. You will use mail to along with the colon, along with this colon inside the href attribute, along with the email address that you want to send message to. You want them to send message to. This one is for the users that will send message to you. So you will put your email address here along with the mail to. Inside there, you will now put send email text so that when they click it, it will automatically opens the user's email program. That is, if they open on mobile phone, it will automatically open their Gmail account and place your email address inside their send box. The only thing they will now need to write is just the message they want to send to you. So it will automatically take you to your email program. So to let them do or to let them send a new email to you. So this is how it goes. Quickly, let me describe how it shows. This is it. Let's say let me write this from scratch so you can see how it works. Let's say I create anchor tag. Inside here, I want them to send mail to me, right? I will write mail to. So which mail I will write colon. Which mail I want them to send me email to. I want them to send info at top 10 strand top10string.com. So that's alright. Save it. If you save it, you will see what will happen. It will not show. Can you see nothing show yet? But you must write something. Yeah, send email. So when you write something there, it will open. It will open. Can you see this text here is in between the what? In between the opening and closing anchor tag. You can watch our former video when we discussed about this very well. About links. All our links tutorial have been discussed very nicely so far. So this is how it goes also. When people now click this send email, it will take them. Now let's reload and click it. It will automatically open our email program. We have Outlook here. That's why it opened Outlook box or whatever email. It told me that I should, because I've not signed in yet. If to say I've already signed in, if it's on mobile, that maybe everybody have already used their Gmail account to sign in. So it automatically take them to their Gmail account. Instead of writing their email by themselves, it will just pop up and open the Gmail program and place your email address in their send box. The only thing the user will now need to do is just to write the message in the box and send the message to you. So that's how we put this send email inside our website. So I hope you understand this very well. So I hope to see you next time. This is how it works. We'll discuss about it in the future also. Anwar akorede, ayofe is my name. I wish to see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.